Hey everybody, welcome to Insomnia with Nina Valdez. Tonight we are going on a little adventure to the World Bird Sanctuary in Valley Park, Missouri. And, I just wanted to let you guys know because it's a little bit disturbing to me, and so I thought maybe it would bother you guys a little bit. A lot of the birds have tethers on them, and they are sitting on little perches, and it's not because they're being cruel to them, it's because these birds are either they have come in injured and they don't want them to re-injure themselves. They're still on the mend, so they don't want them like really trying to fly too much, or they have been rescued from captivity in different situations and they wouldn't be able to survive in the wild, but they still want them to get out and get fresh air and stuff like that. So that's what that's all about. So it's okay. Don't be disturbed by it. So let's get into it. guys like that, if you want to come out to Valley Park, Missouri, they also have this place like right next door called Lone Elk Park, I think. And I am going to be highlighting that in my next vlog for you guys. So come out and see it. So I hope that your insomnia is as productive as mine. I love you guys. Try to get some sleep.